What is Gucci, boys? So we just got wrecked. We just got absolutely wrecked, right? And I've never been more happy in my fucking life, bro. I said as I entered this trade, I was like, dude, if I lose this trade, I am going to be so content, bro. This is super clean. Like this is how all of my winners look. So I'm not like upset that this is what a loser looks like. You know what I mean? So what do I notice, right? First of all, I'm not on the 1 minute time frame because the 1 minute is doing a bunch of bullshit. Okay. The 2 minute looks really clean to me, right? We create a very nice, clean vertical range right here. Okay. From this swing low to this swing high. Okay. Um, and right, what do we do, right? So we have a great clean vertical range, right? And then we create a beautiful structure point with a CIS with potential CISD on both assets. Like this is the kind of structure I want to see get violated. We come down into the midpoint of it, fiddle with it, and then we shift immediately. Boom! I take entry on the retest a little bit above the retest just so I get 1-to-1 with OTE here. So entry is like right here. This was the trade. And this is a peak trade for me, right? We didn't hit EQ on either assets, right? I know that if we want to continue higher in the day, we're going to at least tap this EQ. And that was my break-even point, right? So we come down, we shift, and we get another down candle, and then we get an up candle, and then we get another up candle, and that's when I enter. And then price just kind of like trickles up the whole way. And I'll just show you like higher time frame why I thought this trade was actually going to rip. A lot of people are going to look at this and think, okay, we're bullish as fuck, right? Which we are bullish. Like 100% we are bullish. But you have to understand what we have to do before we can continue higher, okay? We took out all of these high time frame highs, okay? And then we have this absolute massive 4-hour range here, right? That I know at least the midpoint of this 4-hour range down here needs to get filled if we want to go higher. Bare minimum, just this 4-hour fair value gap CE needs to get filled if we want to go higher, right? And then if you look at the 1 hour, the 1 hour is actually bearish, right? We displace through here, right? We break these lows. And then we tap into this 1 hour unfilled on both assets. And then we take out all of this LR right here, all of this LR here. And then we form a beautiful model to go shorts to tap in to, this discounted 15 for value gap, OTE, discount to go higher. So this was a great trade for me. I am not upset at this at all. We even had a 5-minute in my favor. Like, this is peak for me. Like, this is fine. Like, this is the trade I want to lose. Like, I'm super content with this. Like, I'm going to go about my day not thinking about anything. And that's what I want. And I got raped in Asia yesterday. Like, this is the kind of markets we're in, boys. Let me just show you the trade that fucked me in Asia. Look at this. Come up, right? This is off Asia Open. New Day Open, the gap. Extreme confluence to go shorts, right? We come up, we create this beautiful structure point, and then we do like this mini structure point. We close below the swing low here, so I entered on the retest. And then we kind of just like bullshit around, and then we wick out first my stop loss, and then we go all the way to TP. So yeah, very fun trade. I think the only thing I could have done better on this, there's not really a whole lot. I think I should have just waited for this close below this. And with the way the candles were looking, doing this like micro shit, I don't want to trade that. So yeah, pretty I can't really do much about Trump tweeting randomly in the day. So happy with this trade, bro. Like, I'm actually so fucking happy with that trade. And yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Let's see what kind of news we have tomorrow, if we have any. We had FOMC meeting minutes, but I don't think this is the official one. I'm not sure. Even if it is, I don't really care. I want y'all's opinion. If you just look at the chart right now, right? Actually, no, you wait for this candle, right? So you even wait for that. Can you not see price going lower at least into this discount here? Like wow, I can actually visualize the displacement down here, but it never happened. So I'm just gonna stop looking at this, and I'm just gonna be content with my trade. And yeah, that's it, boys. I love y'all. Jesus loves you more. In peace.